Okay, so I have all these electronics over here. I have radial motor and ESC and all these things that you need for a plane. And so here's the story. Okay, so I bought some propellers and some mini firewalls from Flite Test, and when they came, I figured out that all 12 propellers that I ordered were the wrong direction and the wrong size. So they should be sending me the right size and stuff, but yeah, I was kind of disappointed. But now I see that it's an opportunity because they're clockwise instead of counterclockwise, which I need counterclockwise. And they're 6x3, so they're not very far off. I wanted 6x4.5. And so I just decided to just make a pusher plane with them so that the pusher propeller is going counterclockwise, so there's no P factor, and even if it was going clockwise, there wouldn't be any P factor because the air wouldn't be going around the fuselage. So yeah, so we're gonna build the Flite Test Mini F-22, and I've got the build video right there. Got some foam over there. We got the electronics and hot glue and stuff. So we're gonna get started.
Okay, Brayden.
So I built this Flite Test Mini F-22, and I'm just gonna fly it for like a quick second to make sure that it flies, because it's kind of getting dark and it's wet. So yeah, first time. I could have kept it in there. We're gonna do it again.
Brayden, that's awesome.
I did it. Overview of my plane. So I maidened it yesterday-ish. I kind of maidened it, and it flew pretty good. I had that at 65% rates, and that's why I had to land it so abruptly. It's because I didn't have enough rates to turn fast enough, and so I just put it down. But now I have it up to 100%, and I haven't flown it yet. And I just painted it, and it looks pretty good. And it has the Flite Test 2205-2300 kV motor, radial motor from Flite Test in it, and then it has these props that got sent to me by accident, 6x3 counterclockwise props. And then I'm using a FlySky FSI 6X radio, and then I have the FlySky something. Let's see. Nope, never mind. And I'm using for the servos, instead of Flite Test 5 gram, I have these 9 gram servos that I got off of Amazon for like $1 each. And I just had 2 of them, so I used those. And then I'm using the Tattoo 850 milliamp battery, 3-cell. And that's about it. It has elevons, obviously. Yeah. Can't wait to fly it. Okay, so we're gonna start it, or try to fly it for the first time with the full road and with the paint. Do it. I think I need to practice a little more, but it flew. Instead of just having this F-22 jet, I wanted to do something a little fun with it. And so I have these simple cub bombs plans right here, and I'm gonna make a bomb drop on it. So let's get to doing that. So after about an hour and a half of work, I have the bomb drop assembled and connected to the plane. So I know you might be concerned by when you drop it, it's going to hit this propeller and shred itself and maybe break the propeller. Don't worry, I added a safety feature. So let me show you that. So when you try to launch it, if you're going upwards and you try to launch, oh gosh, okay, I dropped that. There we go. So if you're trying to drop it upwards, when you flip the switch, it lets go of the front end, but it'll only release if you go forwards, and that's because of this little thing right here. It stops it if it's going backwards, and so that it won't hit the propeller when it goes back when you do it. So you have to actually dive bomb for this to work, but that's okay, because I'd rather do that than have this get shredded, have the the bomb get shredded up by the propeller. So yeah, that's the bomb drop. Now let's go test if it works. Okay, so I'm gonna try with the bomb drop.
That was a handful.
Yeah, bomb drop's not working.
What's not working?
The bomb.
Oh.
Then just fly it and have fun.
Well, I'm gonna bring it down so I can get the bomb out.
Flies real good, Braden.
So as you saw in the video of me trying to test out the bomb drop at my RC field, you saw that it didn't work, and that's for many reasons. And I'm not going to explain it because Braden's going the same speed as this. This is only going to slow down, so it's just going to push back into that thing even if you are going down. But, so I flipped it around so that it'll fall backwards. But, I was 100% sure that the app was going to hit the propeller. So I decided to make little bombs, which are just shrunk versions of this. And I only have one little zip tie on them because I'm not too worried about them shaking around or anything. But I'm 100% sure that they're not going to hit the propeller. I'm not even using this right here. So it's just hanging there. But when it flies the same direction and angle as the plane because of all the stabilizers and fins and stuff. So yeah, let's see how that works out. Okay, so we're gonna fly it for the last time on video because I need need to finish the video. So yeah.